This is question number 20 of quiz 7 for chapter 6. According to the figure on the right, where each isoquant output level is marked to the right of the isoquant, production is characterized by A. Increase in return to scale, B. Increase in constant and decrease in return to scale, C. Decrease in return to scale, D. Constant return to scale. So this is a relatively hard question because it requires a firm understanding of what means by increasing, decreasing, or constant return to scale. So the return scale is a concept which says that if you double the input, what happens to the output? So if the output also doubles, that's constant return to scale. And if the output is less than doubled, that's decrease in return to scale. And if the output is more than doubled, and that means increase in return to scale. So here, and this is a concept which refers to the long-term effect. So that means there's no fixed input like in the short run. So here the inputs are neighbor and capital, and from Q1, from the first isoquant to the second one, graphically speaking, you can see that labor, if you go from here, labor from here to here, labor is less than doubled, right? So graphically speaking, that should be relatively easy to see. And also that's the same for the capital. So if you have a point here on the first isoquant, and move to a point here, somewhere here, because you need to increase the labor and capital with the same proportion, so it's somewhere here and it's less than doubled. But what happens to the quantity of the output is actually triples. So this means increase in return to scale. And that's the same from if you move from the second isoquant to the third one. The output more than tripled, even though the inputs are less than doubled. So that's also increase in return to scale. So in this, the answer to this question should be A. Let's check our answer. Correct.